As you can see, it's succulent, it's juicy, but it doesn't have any soup. Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. Let's do another wet fry recipe, and I've done a similar video about a year ago, and I'm pretty sure most of you loved. So we are preparing some wet fry beef, and wet fry simply means it's wet enough not to make you get choked, but haina supu. And from this corner, I have my 4 small tomatoes. I have some salt for the seasoning. I have my coriander, I have my beef, I have my onions, some seasoning cube, some garlic, ginger, and some hoho. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll start off by chopping our ingredients, and as you can notice in today's recipe, we do not have some cooking oil because that is not a must when making some wet fry. And also this is a recipe that you can make on that day you want to eat something good, but at the same time you don't feel like doing too much work. So this is what we have, and today we are using a pressure cooker. So I'm going to add my meat inside the pressure cooker, and then I'm also going to add all my other ingredients. And then I'm going to break my cube inside too. So we are just keeping it very simple in today's recipe, and I'm also going to add some salt. Then I'm also going to add some water, and I'm going to add about 1.5 or 2 cups of water. Mix it a little bit. And then we are going to pressure cook this for about 30 minutes. Then our stew is going to be ready. So this is how you simply make some wet fry, and I've served mine with some ugali. I have a side of some cream, and let me serve this, then we get to taste. Wow, look at this. Mutamu tu, mutamu tu. This is so good. This is so good. So remember, wet fry does not have any soup. As you can see, this is very moist. As you can see, it's succulent, it's juicy, but it doesn't have any soup. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe, because as you've seen, there was no much effort put into it, but the outcome is very great. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.